Here is the question. Would you date an atheist? Do you respect people like atheists?
Yes, of course. Because all of us have a own belief.
Hi! Welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, we will ask Filipino women from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, would Filipinas date an atheist? The Philippines is a religious country, so would Filipinas date someone who does not believe in God? It's an interesting question, and shout out to our longtime subscriber and commenter, Eric Taylor. Thank you for the comment and idea for today's video, Eric. Now, everyone, enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
Trisha po.
Trisha, nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good. I'm happy to hear that. How old are you?
I'm 21 po.
21. You're still studying, right?
Yes
What course are you taking?
BS Entrepreneurship po.
And what year are you now?
Third year. Third year.
So one more year and you will graduate.
Yes po.
That's very beautiful. Advance congratulations. Okay. Anyway, Trisha, here is the question. Would you date an atheist?
Atheist.
Yeah.
Okay po. Ay, wait lang po. Ano po muna yung atheist?
Atheist is someone who does not believe in God.
For me po, no.
No. Why?
Ano po, as I am okay lang pong Tagalog.
English kung basic English.
As I am po I believe in God, I don't think I would date an atheist. What would you?
Atheist.
Atheist. I would date them.
You mean like as a religious person that believes in God, you won't date someone who does not believe in God.
Yes po.
I see.
But it doesn't mean na I will judge them. I respect them also, but I don't think I can date them because as a religious person, I respect God, and I also believe that God is is the one that we centered in our relationship po.
Would you date a foreigner?
Um yes.
Yes.
If it have such pag may gwapong chance.
If there's a chance.
Yes po.
What is your name?
Ella.
Ella, nice to meet you. That's a very beautiful name. Short but beautiful, Ella. So how are you today?
Good.
You're good. How old are you?
26.
26. So that means you're working already. May we know what's your job?
Sales consultant.
Sales consultant. What company?
Kapilanja.
What is that?
Office equipment.
Oh,
Yeah,
office
for
equipment.
office equipment.
Oh, I see. Okay, anyway, here's the question. Would you date an atheist?
No.
May we know why?
Because
Because
because because if he don't believe in God, how can he love me and the people around me?
the people around you, I see. Well, we respect everyone's, what do you call this answer? What is your name?
I am Bridget Ira.
Bridget?
Yes.
Interesting name. Nice to meet you. How are you today, Bridget?
I am tired actually.
Oh, why are you tired?
I just got from the bus
From the bus.
Albay.
I'm from Albay too.
I'm from Ligao.
Oh, Ligaspi. Okay, anyway, how old are you, Bridget?
I'm 22.
22. Are you still studying?
Yes, fourth year college.
Fourth year college, graduating. May we know what's your course?
BSED in education.
Oh, major in English.
Yeah.
That's impressive. Anyway, advance congratulations, Bridget. Okay, anyway, here's the question. Okay, would you date an atheist?
Yes.
May we know why?
We all have our different beliefs, and if you will respect my belief, I will respect yours.
Oh.
Yes, it's
I
not
see.
that religion is not important. It's just that I don't care if
You don't-
we believe or not, as long as you know how to respect mine. I'll respect yours as well.
Oh, and if you love that person, right?
Yeah, if you love that person, you will accept him or her.
Oh, that's very
Yeah.
beautiful. What is your name?
Meryl. Meryl Rose.
Mary Rose.
Meryl Rose.
Nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. Okay. Oh, you. I felt like you're confused if you're good or not. Okay. How old are you?
20.
20.
Uh,
What course are you taking?
BSBA. Business at
Business ad. And what year are you now?
third year.
And one more year you will graduate.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Anyway, here's the question. Would you date an atheist?
No, no.
Oh no.
Uh,
Why?
Because
Bakit? Bakit tabo mong makipag-date sa sarong tao na dai nagtutubod sa Diyos?
ano po ako pinalaki rin ako ng magulang ko na naniniwala sa Diyos. So, yun po.
So it's because she was brought up to be a religious person, like someone that believes in God. I see. So that's the reason why you would not date someone that does not believe in God.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your name?
Angelica.
Angelica, nice to meet you. How are you today?
It's been hard today.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Why? May we know why?
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. I see. Are you still studying or you're working?
I'm OJT now.
OJT. Oh, what is OJT again? What is that?
It's a for for you take a course, then you have in your course you have to take OJT. So OJT is
What it stands for? Like it's like you have to work before you graduate,
yeah.
right?
Oh, yeah, oh.
You have to experience like what your job is gonna be.
Oh.
That's OJT. OJT. Okay. Anyway, here's the question: would you date an atheist?
No,
No. May we know why?
because all of my experience as have an all of is as Catholic, Roman Catholic.
Like
My experience.
your experience,
Yes.
your relationships before.
Opo.
So all Catholics. I see. So you wouldn't try, right? Dating someone who does not believe in God.
No.
No, I see. But do you respect people like atheists?
Yes, of course. Because all of us have a own belief with or any other religion. So it's not so we have a choice to pick a religion.
To pick a religion and whether to believe or
Oh,
not,
not- oh,
right?
yes.
And you respect them no
Yes.
matter what.
Yeah.
I see. Anyway, Angelica, thank you so much. Salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you.